If you're in real estate or mortgage, you probably have a database of old leads, and my guess is it's toxic. It's full of bad information, it's missing information, and that means you're wasting money marketing and spinning your wheels, making sales calls to no one. That's where Revaluate comes in. Revaluate is a data company that can clean up your contacts in your database, build you a new database, and then tell you who you ought to be reaching out to, because we know who is most likely to move. We know this because of artificial intelligence that's driven by the data Ds: death, divorce, diapers, diamonds, diplomas, downsizing, discretionary income, the daily grind, dumpsters, life events that cause people to move. So if you'd like to have that information at your fingertips so you can be more efficient with your time and resources, give us a ring. Revaluate.com/talk.